Wounds, whether minor cuts or abrasions, are inevitable in our daily lives. Nature, however, provides a bounty of healing herbs that have been trusted for centuries to nurture and expedite the recovery process. In this guide, we'll explore the world of herbal wound care, offering insights into the best herbs, oils, and salves to create a natural first aid approach that aligns with the wisdom of the earth. Understanding the healing power of herbs. Herbs have long been celebrated for their innate ability to support the body's healing mechanisms. In the realm of wound care, specific herbs stand out for their antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and tissue-regenerating properties. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for education purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Calendula, Calendula officinalis. Known for its vibrant orange blossoms, calendula is a potent herb with remarkable wound healing capabilities. Calendula contains flavonoids and saponins that contribute to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Applying calendula oil or salve to wounds can promote tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Comfrey, Symphytum officinale. Comfrey, often referred to as Knitbone, is renowned for its ability to accelerate the healing of wounds and fractures. The herb contains allantoin, a compound that stimulates cell proliferation and supports tissue regeneration. Comfrey-infused oil or salve can be gently applied to wounds for its soothing and reparative effects. Plantain, Plantago major. Commonly found in lawns and gardens, plantain is a versatile herb with a plethora of healing properties. Its leaves contain compounds that exhibit antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory actions. Plantain poultices or salves are excellent for treating cuts, stings, and insect bites. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Yarrow, with its delicate white flowers, is a powerful herb known for its hemostatic and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying yarrow-infused oil or salve to wounds can help control bleeding and reduce swelling. Yarrow's antimicrobial qualities also aid in preventing infections. Creating herbal-infused oils. Herbal-infused oils serve as the foundation for many herbal remedies, including those for wound care. Crafting these oils is a simple yet potent way to extract the medicinal properties of herbs. Calendula-infused oil. 1. Fill a clean, dry jar with dried calendula flowers. 1. Pour a carrier oil, such as olive oil or sweet almond oil, over the flowers, ensuring they are fully submerged. 1. Seal the jar and place it in a sunny spot for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it occasionally. 1. Strain the oil and your calendula-infused oil is ready for use. Comfrey-infused oil. 1. Follow the same process as calendula oil, using dried comfrey leaves or roots. 1. Allow the comfrey-infused oil to steep for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking the jar periodically. 1. Strain the oil to obtain a potent comfrey-infused oil. Plantain-infused oil. 1. Harvest fresh, clean plantain leaves. 1. Chop the leaves and place them in a jar. 1. Cover the leaves with a carrier oil and allow the infusion to occur over 4 to 6 weeks. 1. Strain the oil and your plantain-infused oil is ready for use. Yarrow-infused oil. 1. Harvest fresh yarrow flowers and leaves. And place the plant material in a jar and cover it with a carrier oil. 1. Allow the infusion to steep in a sunny location for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking occasionally. 1. Strain the oil and your yarrow-infused oil is prepared. Crafting healing salves. Herbal-infused oils become even more potent when transformed into healing salves. These salves offer a convenient and topical application of herbal benefits. Calendula healing salve. 1. In a double boiler, melt beeswax. 1. Add calendula-infused oil to the melted beeswax, stirring until well combined. 1. Pour the mixture into clean, dry tins or jars. 1. Allow the salve to cool and solidify before use. Comfrey repairing salve. Follow the same process as calendula salve, using comfrey-infused oil. 1. The resulting comfrey salve is ideal for promoting the healing of bruises, cuts, and minor skin irritations. Plantain soothing salve. 1. Combine plantain-infused oil with melted beeswax in a double boiler. 1. Pour the mixture into containers and let it solidify to create a plantain salve with anti-inflammatory properties. Yarrow hemostatic salve. 1. Create a yarrow-infused oil as described earlier. 1. Mix the oil with melted beeswax to form a yarrow salve that aids in controlling bleeding and promoting wound healing. Application and precautions. When applying herbal-infused oils or salves, ensure the affected area is clean. Gently massage a small amount onto the wound, covering it with a clean bandage if necessary. While herbal remedies are generally safe, it's essential to perform a patch test and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if allergies or sensitivities are a concern. Embracing the healing power of herbs in wound care is not just a return to traditional wisdom, it's a celebration of the earth's abundant provisions.